labeling and coding of goods. At the moment of reception and before storage, the batches or items are labeled for efficient management. Labeling information. The label includes coding that provides automated lot and product information, and sometimes also includes information on contents, handling, or origin. Many labels include a description of the commodity and its characteristics. In this way, the contents of a package can be identified without having to open it. Certain goods may require special handling or specific environmental conditions. In these cases, specific information is included on the label. Hazardousness. Mandatory for cargoes containing dangerous goods. These labels usually include internationally established symbols warning of the hazards of the cargo. Consumption or use. Contains information on the date of manufacture, expiry date, or ingredients. This information is mandatory on labels of products for human or animal consumption. Informative. By means of symbols, the label indicates the position that the load must maintain, the fragility, or the temperature. Information in the supply chain. Throughout the supply chain, there is a flow of information and goods that is documented in order to identify the agents involved in each stage of the chain. All these agents must use automated systems for capturing, recording, and transmitting standard information so that they can be understood by all. In this way, it will be possible to know the location and retrieve information on the trajectory of a product or batch along the supply chain. A. Traceability. Traceability systematizes processes and collects information at 3 levels. Labeling. This is the document that accompanies the merchandise and encodes it to automate reading. Databases. Each agent in the supply chain records the information in its own database from which it can retrieve it. Transmissions. Agents in the supply chain exchange information that is transmitted electronically in a standardized manner. These transmissions contain lot information, dates, and preferential consumption, which is necessary to check traceability and to determine responsibilities in the event of incidents in the flow of goods. B. Automation of information in the supply chain. The agents in the supply chain, suppliers, manufacturers, distributors, and consumers, generate information during the material exchange process. To improve productivity and optimize the use of resources, it is essential that the flow of information is automated with the help of management programs, ERP, that analyze historical data, estimate the level of stock required, and make a supply forecast.